What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
Some may be born with moles or birthmarks in certain parts of their bodies that do not attract attention or pose any danger. But others are born with large, rare moles that require surgical intervention. These moles may cause the owner to place great embarrassment with others, especially if they're visible, and we mean here in the face, where the person becomes a subject of ridicule from people, and this can affect his daily life and his psychological state. Below, we'll see how this girl managed to pass a very difficult stage in her life after she was born with a rare tumor in her nose, and she became known to everyone. We all remember the story of the girl called Connie Lloyd, who was born with a tumor on the level of her nose, where the color of that spot was red, which made everyone laugh and describe her as a clown. Connie's mother was unable to endure the constant taunting of her daughter, and she was afraid that she would suffer a psychological breakdown due to the irony she was exposed to on a daily basis, where she decided to put an end to what was happening with her daughter and started looking for a doctor to help her daughter remove this tumor to look like her colleagues. Connie Lloyd was in good health at birth, but her mother noticed a red spot on her nose. And although doctors assured the mother at the time that she was a normal case and that the tumor was vascular, it could be removed by following a specific prescription that they'd given her. But the girl's condition, unfortunately, she did not change, and the tumor kept increasing as her body grew, showing her nose like what we see at clowns. The mother said that she had to walk with her daughter in places without people in order to keep her out of sight, as everyone was commenting on that red spot as soon as they saw her, which made the girl feel unusual. The mother also used to cover her daughter's nose so that people could not see it, but despite all that she did, people called the daughter the clown girl, and the daughter became circulating among everyone, which disturbed her a lot. And it took the parents of the girl, Connie Lloyd, 3 years to find a qualified specialist to agree to treat the girl and remove the tumor that had become a nightmare, especially as she's about to enter the school, which makes her home in contact with children. One of their relatives had shown them to a surgeon working in a small city in Florida, and he's known for his experience and skill in the field of surgery, and he performed complex surgeries. After the parents contact that doctor and show him with the case of their daughter, he told them that he'd not seen such a situation in his life. Indeed, the doctor succeeded in eradicating the Connie Lloyd mole, which was then 4 years old. This made the parents very happy as they shed tears of happiness and embraced their daughter at length, and expressed their great gratitude to the doctor, who did a great effort to remove the tumor. The girl appeared after the operation while she was satisfied, as she appeared in front of people without being embarrassed, and the real features of her face appeared, as she dazzled everyone with her charming beauty. That tumor was covering the beauty of the girl and making her look like a clown, but after she got rid of it, she appeared in a new suit that shocked everyone. And the mother published pictures of her daughter on social media, and she's in her new style, and she put next to her pictures of what was suffering from a tumor in her nose to spread pictures of the beautiful girl and invade all the sites. Although it was showing the effects of surgery on the girl's nose, but that did not detract from her beauty. Parents knew that society was ruthless, and that if they did not rush to address the problem that had arisen with their daughter since her birth, she would have completed her life the subject of ridicule for everyone, and would obtain the title of clown throughout her life. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.